So it takes a long time to illustrate a picture book and to do the writing and the illustrating. It just takes a long time, and a lot of people don't realize how much time is put into the pictures and the illustrations. And so you spend all of that time in designing and creating, coming up with the right illustrations, and then designing the pages and making sure the flow of the book works, and all of those little details that go into the making of the picture book. And then you're able to order a box of these little picture books, and able to open that box, and there's quite a nice surprise to look at the illustrations and be satisfied with the way they turned out, and quite pleased at how each page looks and how the illustrations work together. After spending all that time working on the book, it's nice to have a book.
That floating.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Kiss, cuddle, tuck.
Kiss, cuddle, duck. Tuck.
Tuck, not duck.
Duck. Oh.
Kiss, cuddle, tuck.
Kiss, cuddle, tuck. Okay, stop now.
Tuck.
Tuck. Oh, tuck.
From first light of morning till last light of night. Trumpet that newborn. Can you trumpet? Covey those quail. Can you run like quail? Wrangle that infant. Wrangle, wrangle, wrangle. Hike that trail. Hike. Da-da-da-dun, dun, 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 dun. Oh, nurture those squawkers. Nurture those squawkers. Nuzzle your foal. Oh. Ooh, shoulder those hatchlings. Whoa! Whoa!
Wow!
Oh, ouch.
Ouch!
Spin and roll.
Spin.
Spin and roll.
Spin.
Spin, spin, spin.
Roll.
Roll. Roll.
Spin. Spin.
Gathering families.
Come on, families.
Gathering families.
Oh.
Quieting bear cubs. Kiss good night. Mwah. Mwah.
I kissed you in the chin.
Oh! Shepherd those children.
Goodbye.
Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum,
Come
ba-dum,
on.
ba-dum,
Come
ba-dum.
Somebody else right
Tuck in tight.
Tuck.
Oh, tuck in tight.
Tuck
Tuck in tight. And very last page. Dad's sleeping.
Dad's sleeping.
Dad's sleeping. Good night, all.
Okay, bye.